Look at what we done found. Ooh. It's time, baby. That's usual time to wake up. Look at the spot though. Look at it. Look at it. I ain't never been out here, not fishing at least. Oh, we got one person down there. What we got? What we got? What we got? You know, everybody hate walking into those spider webs. Oh yeah, this is a nice little chill spot. You can tell it be people out here too. Whenever they leave their trash. This is a nice little spot. Yeah. Somebody started a fire. It's shallow. Oh, I see some fish. I see him. I see him. I see him. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I see that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's nice. Look at that. All them nets. They everywhere. Oh, they right in front of me too. You know, it's gonna be a nice good day. It feels good too. It's that perfect weather. Hey. Yeah. We finna get right. We finna get right. There go a boat over there that sunk. That's crazy. Look. Is that not crazy? And look at this tree. Like, that's absurd. Oh! Yeah, my car's so sexy. That black on black on black on black. It's about that time, baby. Let's get it, boy. I hope. This is my first time using this type of setup. I hope it's on there right. I don't even know. But we're gonna swing that thing. It's some fish over there. I don't know if this piece of bait too big though. That's definitely the farthest I done ever threw that thing. We just gonna leave that right there. Oh, we try to set up this other one. My homeboy on his way. I think he bringing his girl. I'm pretty sure. Bro, I see some fish over there. Okay, I put this one on. I low-key might put some. I didn't know if I should do this one or this one or this one. I think I'm gonna try some of these small ones. Well, y'all, oh, we ain't catching nothing. These folks done brought all these kids out here. But I look good. I'm not, They done brought all these kids out here. So they was in the water jumping around playing and all that mess. So what that mean? Ain't no fish coming on this side. We are down there though. I ain't know this many people was coming, but it feel good. It's nice weather. They're going. That's nice. Look at all these kids playing in the water. Say something else. You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna do nothing. Let's see if I got something. Man, that's what they gonna be at though. Yeah. Crossing the line, crossing the line.
All this flashing around.
Y'all scaring the fish away. Like, y'all scaring all the fish away.
That's what I'm saying. Like, talking and stuff, that's one thing. But y'all in the water.
In the water. In the water. I'm about to fish y'all up.
But look, though. This is the thing. You can see the drop-off from here. Like, where it drops off at. It's really, you just got to get your...
Kind of shallow, though. I feel like. I don't know.
Yeah.
You didn't get no fishy. Yeah, it's
Hey, it's one right there.
That's what I'm saying. Look.
You seen that?
Y'all talking about ain't no fish, but look.
I ain't going far enough. Hold on.
Stop running.
Okay.
Look, it's fish over there.
What?
On me, I just seen that.
Hey, you tricked me.
No, it's not.
Over
Look.
there. I see him.
We went too far.
You know, it really is beautiful out here. It really is. We just ain't catching nothing. Ain't nobody caught nothing.
There's some ducks over there. Ain't nobody catching nothing now. There go a boat. I'm gonna go talk to the ducks. Why y'all leaving? Well, it's a very, very beautiful day outside. Hey, never lose hope in the bigger picture, you know. Never lose sight of the goal you set out to reach for. Because one day, I'm gonna be catching fish non-stop. Non-stop. They gonna be biting. But until that day, we gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep hope alive. We're gonna keep faith alive, you know? Because faith and fear is both as powerful. They both the same thing. So we just go, we just gonna keep trying, you know? We gonna keep trying. It don't stop till I stop trying. So, you know, until that day come, we ball. And I ain't leaving no time soon yet. So we go keep trying. We gonna keep trying to figure this out. We go catch. I ain't even caught no stick, no leaf, no nothing. Like the way this is what we using. I don't even know if I got it hooked on there right, but that's what we using. I got these from Ollie's. I think it's called a Tokyo rig or something like that. So it be like that. But at this point, I thought my boy knew how to fish. Cause we went fishing some years ago and he had like 5 rods. So I'm thinking he knew how to fish. That day we was only out there for 30 minutes cause, you know, somebody, whatever was going on, there was too much going on. We wasn't out there too long, but I thought my boy knew how to fish. He just as bad as me. He just as bad as me. Literally, we both terrible, bad. So I think realistically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go somewhere where I know somebody gonna be at and I'm gonna just partner. I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm trying to learn how to fish. Can you teach me? Can you teach me the game? Like, charge it to the game, bro. Teach me this. So, I'm over here on some private property. These fish is over here, but they just not biting. So I got both my rods. I got some jerk bait on one, and then some type of other bait on the other one. But like, look, right there. So when you're using jerk bait, do you still need to put actual bait on the jerk bait? So like, that's my jerk bait. Do I need to put bait on the jerk bait? I feel like it's jerk bait. You don't need it.
Oh well, my finger fall off, fuck it.
That shit.
Yeah, fuck it. My finger fall off, I ain't need it. My immune system is too fucking weak.
Man. Another day fishing. Ain't had no luck. I'm so sick and tired. Sick and tired of being sick and tired. These ain't doing nothing for me. Man, I love the better just go on a boat. That'd be so nice. I ain't been on the boat in 10 plus years easy. If I'm 24, it's been longer than that. That'll put me at 14. Easy, probably 15 years, honestly. I ain't catching nothing today. I don't know what's going on, my people. I done changed up the bait. I done changed up everything. I'm literally having no luck. Like, is it me or is it the fish? We gonna blame the fish for sure. Yeah. That nigga the only one that got a fish today. 2 of them,
I fish, boy. I can fish, nigga.
That shit crazy.
Fish, nigga. We gonna put it
Shit,
up.
I guess we gonna call it quits. Another day fishing. Ain't catch shit. Ain't catch shit but some sunshine and rainbows. We ain't even get no rainbows. Ain't nothing sweet, just sour. Another day, we ain't failed. We just trials and tribulations, you know. We gonna keep it going. It's all good. Want to be Rose, you know what it is. Be the fisherman, you know.